Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 24th day of June 2026. And this is a trade taken in the live trading room today. We just got finished with it, and this is a trade taken by myself and others. So here we go. And as usual, if you've been following us for any length of time, you know we love our strong candle indicator, which is this little red pyramid pointing down and colored red, meaning we want to trade this market down towards the bottom of the screen. That's just what we're going to do. So we're going to look over at the PVI. We're going to see what our target should be. Expect the next candle to be somewhere around 160 ticks in length, and we're going to pair our ATM to that. So we're going to go for 20 ticks, 50 ticks, and 100 ticks targets. We're going to de-risk the trade after 20 ticks, and then sit back with our feet propped up and see if we can get our larger runners. So this is how it all went down in the live trading room today. And we're going to sell this market. We need to push up just a little bit. We'll put our order on just on the body of the previous candle, and we'll go from there. So this is how it all went down. Here's a little bit of a push up. That's good. Boom. First thing we do is take our, well, we didn't even get a chance to move our stop to where it needed to be. Our 20 tick target was taken out immediately. Now I'm going to get another order going, but we've already gotten our second target taken out. So this isn't going to take very long, as you can probably see. The 100 tick target is, well, I thought it would be hit already, but there we go. All right, just to show you how fast this market was going. That trade took 50 seconds to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in less than a minute, come and join us at the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. Until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.